So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a small glimpse of Sunday. So we had gone to Savarkar Udyan in Nigadi and here we have enjoyed a lot. Actually I'm obsessed with the nature. So today I thought why not to share some moments with you all. So here the chirping sound of the birds made my day. A beautiful nature always acts like an imaginary world, which makes our mood pleasant and happy and adds positive vibes in our day. Here, I enjoyed a lot with my parents and had a very beautiful memories which will always last forever with me. I will always remember these beautiful moments which I have spent with my parents. So, with the end of this chilling day, I wanted to thank all of you who had supported me a lot in my first video and gave me such a beautiful comments, and I'm going to make such a beautiful contents with you all. For that I need your support, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to come with a new more upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself.